We send our hand-picked ebooks every Sunday to 4 of our lucky subscribers. To participate in our giveaways, subscribe to our channel. Is avocado oil healthy? How should you use avocado oil in your cooking? Are there any health benefits avocado oil? What is avocado oil? Avocado oil comes from the actual fruit that we eat. It is mostly extracted from the green pulp. There is no specific definition of avocado oil or instructions on how to make it. However, there seem to be 2 main versions of avocado oil, refined and virgin. The first is the most neutral and can get very hot, i.e. it has a high smoke point at about 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The second one is closer to extra virgin olive oil in that it has a lower smoke point like olive oil, in the low to mid 300s, and more potent flavor. Is avocado oil good for you? Avocado oil is considered a monounsaturated fat. Fats rich in trans fats are generally healthier than saturated fats. Research shows, however, that monounsaturated fats are not profitable when incited against other unsaturated, polyunsaturated fats, at least when you talk about heart health. It turns out, in studies where people reduced saturated fats and replaced them with either mostly polyunsaturated fats or mostly monounsaturated fats. Those who relied more on polyunsaturated fats were more successful in lowering LDL cholesterol, as well as reducing risks to developing heart diseases. However, choosing monounsaturated fats is a healthy option, and this provides some unique nutrients. How does avocado oil compare to olive oil? Here's what you get in a tablespoon of avocado oil: 124 calories, 0 grams of protein, 14 grams of fat, 2 grams of saturated fat, 10 grams of monounsaturated fat, 2 grams of polyunsaturated fat, 0 grams of carbohydrates, and 0 milligrams of sodium. Here's what's in a tablespoon of olive oil: 119 calories, 0 grams of protein, 14 grams of fat, 2 grams of saturated fat, 10 grams of monounsaturated fat, 1 gram of polyunsaturated fat, 0 grams of carbohydrate, and 1 milligram of sodium. As you can see, avocado oil contains some omega-3 fats in the form of linolenic acid, whereas olive oil does not contain. It also provides some beta-carotene, as well as vitamins A, C, D and, like olive oil, vitamin E. Research also indicates that avocado oil has some promising health benefits, although much research has been done only in animals, making it too early to say that it can provide all of these benefits to humans who survive. Let's talk about some health benefits of avocado oil. Avocado oil is a heart helper. Some studies have found that animals that feed on avocado oil can improve cholesterol and blood pressure. Even more promising, though, are the results of a small study in humans. Just 6 days after replacing avocado oil with regular butter, overweight adults improved their total cholesterol and bad LDL levels, as well as some other valuable health measures. Avocado oil is good for your skin. Science says avocado oil moisturizes dry or cracked skin. It has also been shown to promote wound healing, calm inflammation while wound healing, and even promote collagen synthesis, a protein that helps keep skin youthful and wrinkle-free. Avocado oil is a potential memory and development booster. In a study on pregnant mice, those who were fed avocado or pulp oil were born and developed faster after birth, and then, in adulthood, they had a better memory than their counterparts whose mothers did not take avocado or avocado oil. Bottom line, don't forget that fat shouldn't make up more than 35% of your daily calories, ideally. So use avocado oil, and other oils, judiciously. Avocado oil is a great all-purpose oil with a fairly neutral flavor profile, which makes it delicious in everything from roasted vegetables to salad dressing. It can, and should, be a go-to oil in your pantry. And that's it for this video. We share interesting health videos on our YouTube channel every day. If not already, please subscribe to our channel to show your support and be a part of a healthy community.